What's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video we are gonna see how to set up Google Analytics for your website. So basically, if you are a website owner, if you are a creative individual, if you are an influencer and you have a website, you need Google Analytics on your website, because basically what it does is it measures, it looks after the traffic, it just tracks the traffic, the people who are visiting your website and from which device they're visiting, and whether from which age they are. Basically everyone on the internet, those are visiting you. You need to have a tracker data of those people, because you need to create content or sell the items or sell your product to the people that are visiting your website. So basically it's good for you and easy for you to target the audience that are visiting and are so now we are gonna start and set up the Google Analytics. So the first thing that we need to do is just type in Google Analytics in your search bar. I've already done, so it's gonna pop up on the first menu, on the first option, and after that what you need to do is go and click on Google Analytics, and after a bit of a loading it's going to take you to this page. So the first thing that you need to know is you need a Google account for this. Is you know that if you want to use any of the Google services, you need a Google account. So you can just start with the account that you have, or you can create a separate account, or if you have a separate account to manage all the website and stuff, you can log in via that. If you are already logged in just like me with your account, with your primary account, and you don't want to use this account, you can just click here, add account, and go with this one, or you can go sign out and log in with the other one that you have. But I'm going to go with the same account. So anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go click here on start measuring, and after that it's going to tell me account name. So basically what you need to do is you need to enter a name for your account. So basically this can be anything. From this, your tracking ID will be recognized. Your ID will be based on this name. So the account name is something that you and the people who work along with you on the website, if you have a group of people working on it, they should identify that name. So let's say it's gonna be Adam's Coffee Shop. And okay, this is the name of our account for now. And after that, you need to look after this. Do you need to Google products and services? And you gotta check all these if you want to. You gotta go through them, read them, and then you'll understand. For now, we'll go with the default one, which is already detected. And after that, we click next. And after that, it's gonna ask you for your property name. So basically here you gotta do is enter your property name for Google Analytics to measure. So basically it can be something like, let's say, as I said, Adam's Coffee Shop. And after that what you need to do is you need to enter the time zone. So basically all the times that include in the tracking, that include in the analysis, is gonna sync in with your time. So I'm gonna go and keep it on UK, and after that you gotta select your currency, or you can click on show advanced options if you want to create a universal analytic property. So anyways, we're gonna hide this, and after that we're gonna just click on next. Now this is where you enter the information about your business. So basically here what you do, you enter the detail about your business. So first of all, the category of the industry. So mine, it's gonna be basically the food and drink. So I'm going to click on that, and after that, how many people work in this business. So mine is going to be 10 because it's a coffee shop, and 1 to 10 is the size. Then medium is 11 to 100, so you can see for yourself and you can check these. And after that, here is that how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. So basically what you want to do. Why are you using the Google Analytics? What is it's going to benefit you? So analyze my sales, something like this. I'm going to do my conversion, and after that measure customer engagement on my website. So basically we're going to go with these three for now, because this is just an example video. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go click on create. So basically with you can search your country on top first and read to the term and condition if you want to. By the way, you should. For each country there are specific changes in the term and condition. That's why they have give you this option. You can go through these and just read depending on your country. And after that, what you need to do is you need to click I also accept data processing term as required by GDPR, sorry. And after that, what you need to do is you need to click on I accept. Once you click on I accept, basically you are gonna end up on this window. As you can see, the first thing they're gonna ask you is email communication, what things they should email you. Now you need to make sure you check the right ones that you want. Otherwise Google will be like sending emails that can be promotions, such as here they say, or some testing, and any announcement they make, any changes to the Google Analytics. If you don't want to if you want your email to be cleaned and you don't want there to be too much mess around, you don't need to check anything. You can just go untick all, and then just click on save, so nothing is clicked, and after that you'll end up here. So basically all you need to do, the first thing that you need to do is click a platform. So is this a mobile app? Let me cut this off. And as you can see, we need to choose a platform on which we are going to run the ad. Basically what we want to do, we want to choose the platform on which we want to run the analytics. If you have an Android app, if you have iOS app, you're going to choose regarding that. We're going to click on the web page, and after that here you're going to enter your website. So it's going to be like Adams Coffee Shop.com, something like that. And then the stream name, it can be Adams Coffee Shop. And yeah, then after that you can click create stream, and what it's going to do is it's going to start the stream. If you click here, you can see that what's it measuring. It's measuring page views, scrolls, and outbounding clicks. It's going to measure these things for you. So basically it's going to measure these things for you, for your website. And once you click on create stream, it's going to start the stream. So basically after you've entered your website, a name, your website URL, your homepage is going to look like something like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to implement this into our website. Basically, when you make this Google Analytics and add all the detail, that doesn't mean that it's going to integrate. The integration with your website is automatically going to happen, because that requires admin level privileges as you are tracking the data of the website. So for that, what you need to do is you need to add the measurement ID into your website. So what is this process basically? It's basically what you need to do is you need to go to your website and connect it with Google Analytics. Without connecting it with Google Analytics won't be able to track what is going on with your website. So what you need to do is, after that, the home screen, basically the home page, will look something like this. All you got to do is click on get taking instructions, and after that this will pop up, this web stream details. You need this measurement ID for your Google Analytics. It'll be different. What you need to do is you need to copy this, and I'm going to show you with Wix that how you can implement it into your website. So let's suppose I have a Wix website here. So now I want to implement this Google Analytics that I created into my Wix website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here, marketing and SEO. So what I'm going to do basically is I'm going to click on marketing and SEO, and after that this drop down will appear. Now what I want to do is I want to click on marketing integration, and after that there'll be a bunch of plugins or a bunch of websites and options will pop up. Now what we want to do is we want to connect it with Google Analytics. So I'm going to click on connect, and after that what I want to do is basically I don't have the upgraded version of Wix.com, so you'll get this option here, add Google Analytics. What you want to do is you're going to click on here and just paste this ID that you copied from here there and press OK, and after that it'll automatically add your website to Google Analytics, and then you'll be able to track the traffic of your website, of what is going on, who's visiting, and from which device they're visiting, from which region they're visiting. So this is how you will be able to add Google Analytics to your website. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope I showed you the right way. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope this is what you were looking for when you clicked on this video. I hope I explained it good enough for you to add now Google Analytics to your website. If still there is any question you want to ask, feel free to drop it down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and yeah, I'll help you through it if you need any help. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please make sure to subscribe, and yes, turn on the bell icon. I upload interesting videos like this daily. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.